Today, we're focusing on an excellent but often overlooked exercise, the good morning with dumbbells. This move is fantastic for strengthening your back, legs, and core, while also improving hip and torso mobility. It can even enhance your posture when done with the right form. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a pair of dumbbells resting on top of your shoulders, palms facing in. Keep your chest up and your core engaged. With a slight bend in your knees, hinge forward at your hips, lowering your torso until it's nearly parallel to the ground. Make sure to keep your back flat and your head aligned with your spine. As you lower, you should feel the stretch in your hamstrings and glutes. Once you've reached the bottom of the movement, push through your heels and return to a standing position, using the strength of your glutes and hamstrings to lift your torso back up. This exercise not only builds posterior chain strength, but also helps with improving flexibility and stability in your hips and spine. It's a fantastic addition to any strength routine focused on full body mobility and posture enhancement. Be mindful with every rep, focusing on perfect form to get the most out of this movement.